In this video, we'll see how to get a door as an IFC door element in the IFC export of a precast wall. First of all, let's make a smart symbol aka macro for this opening. This symbol will also allow us to recognize the type of opening much better since we don't want to see a physical door in the opening. Let's now save this graphical symbol as a smart symbol. We select the graphical elements and pick an anchor point. Let's check if this have been done properly. It seems to be okay. Now, let's add a wall. And we'll add a door opening to this wall. One regular opening. And one with our smart symbol as library element for the opening. Now, we turn the wall into a precast wall. And we can also add the automatic basic rebar to it. We can now export the IFC file of this wall and see the result. In the IFC viewer, we have to have a look under the combined or assembly section. Both openings are there, but the IFC object type is still not great. In order to change the IFC object type of the smart symbol, we need to make some adjustments in the fixture catalog. In this catalog, we'll add a copy of the regular opening and call it Door 001. We can add some additional data to it. Under the Classification tab, we can set the IFC object type for this Door 001. A few tabs further, we can make sure the rebar gets cut accordingly. Let's see what happens if we leave these options off. As we can see here, the rebar is not cut since we left a few options off in the fixture catalog. So let's adjust this. When placing a new opening, we can see the rebar gets adjusted, as requested. Let's see what happens when exporting the IFC again. This time, we can see the IFC object type for door 001 has changed to an IFC door. Let's have a look in another IFC viewer such as Solibri. In Solibri, we'll see an even cleaner hierarchy and a clear category for the IFC door. The opening without smart symbol will not have the proper IFC object type nor other relevant opening information.